Okay, so a lot of you may be wondering what's going on in my right panel. Probably nobody, but what's going on in this right panel over here, my terminal? Well, I figured out a way to install roughly 75 to 80% of Kali Linux's applications onto your Linux Mint, which is very convenient for me. Kali Linux isn't meant to be a permanent operating system. I use Linux Mint more than any other OS. So today I'll be showing you what I have found, and it's pretty simple. So right now I found this website, thanks techrepublic.com for this neat little trick, and thanks to who was it? Thanks to GitHub, definitely, and the guy named LionSec and katoolin. Yeah. So anyway, we'll go through the instructions. Well, I've already got it down right over here. Mine's stuff's still installing right here. So that was for my information gathering. But before we do that, we're going to go ahead and open up a new terminal. What we can do is you type in this code right here, sudo get. Well, hang on. First, you gotta get sudo. So type in this this phrase right here. I'll post it on the description. It's sudo apt-get install. Install git. And after you do that, type in. Oop, that's for my tour. Let's just go down with that. And then I'll have this in the description as well. Sudo git clone and the what you need right here. And to run that, you can open up this right here, and it'll tell you. It says sudo copy the katoolin executable with proper directory. Permission you are now to give it permission, which is this right here. So you will need to command copy the katoolin executable to the proper directory with the command sudo cp katoolin.py. It's a Python command. / user bin katoolin. Give the executable proper permissions with sudo chmod, and you can just copy and paste this as well. Now ready to use katoolin. To run the software, open a terminal window, issue, and sudo katoolin. And it's really simple to do. After you do this, after you do all that's said, I will write the full instructions in the description. So very easy to do. You just copy paste. So it's going to be sudo katoolin. Password. It's going to give my password, and there you have it. You want to add repositories and updates first, so you would click 1, and mine's already done. So, and from there, well, mine's already done. I haven't done this, so you click 1, hit enter, let that run through, hit 2, hit enter, and then to exit, hit Control C, and then hit clear, and then do sudo katoolin, and then you click 2, and it'll give you your categories, and I will show you right now. I've already installed all these for information gathering, so I'll go ahead and close that off. And now we're going to do, I'm going through this right now, and there's a lot to go through. So we're going to go ahead and hit 2. You can see all the, I don't know why I'm using my hand, I'm tired. You can see all the information right here, information gathering, exploitation tools, stress testing, all this. So we're going to press 2, hit enter, and this will give you all the stuff like nmap, THC, IPv6, your Hexer base, Cisco auditing tool, all this stuff. Now to install all vulnerability analysis tools, just click 0 and hit enter, and it will start. And that's all you have to do. It's literally the easiest thing in the world. So we'll let this run through, and we'll go ahead, I'll make this a longer video, and we'll go ahead and let that run through and put this over to the side. I'll try to give some information on why it's good to kind of have this stuff. I got my cup of coffee right here. Well, depending on who you are. If you like learning about hacking, if you want to be a white hat hacker, or if you're just interested and you don't feel like installing a different distribution, you're accustomed to Mint, like I am. I'm accustomed to Mint. I do run Linux on another computer, Kali Linux on another computer. It's kind of slow on that computer because this one is obviously a better computer, but I don't want to install a different distro on this hard drive or my other hard drives, and I have complications installing Kali Linux on this computer. One is the wireless network card. I can install it live, I can open it live. A lot of people, you see, you'll have some of these failed attempts, sorry, gosh. I can install it live and still get my network configuration up and running, but I can't install it the full version. And there's all the ones that I've installed, and now we just gotta type apt-get update and hit enter. Wait, I'm gonna go C clear and then sudo katoolin, and then go back to categories and we'll hit 3 wireless attacks, and we'll go ahead and hit 0 because I know most of these will work, especially aircrack and GRScan. Yeah, what was I saying? Oh, I have problems installing stuff on problems installing Kali Linux. Let's see this. It'll give you some of these instructions. Kismet is root privileged for some of its functions. Install Kismet, set it yet. I won't do it. Yes. Yes, we do want that. Users to add Kismet group. What is my user on here? What is my user? I just typed in Linux for a moment. Okay. Okay. What is my user? I forgot my user. Picture, name is Linux. Hit. Okay. Hit. Okay. Just hit root. Yes. So we'll go ahead and do that and go through the methods of that. Anyway, it'll pop that up sometimes. I'm gonna go ahead and change this picture to something like I like chess. Chess is cool. Not a flower. I think I'm just gonna go with a nice chess set until I download some more pictures. Anyway, so now that that's done, go ahead and Control C, clear, sudo 2, and then what was that? We'll do web applications next, which is it's wireless. 1.4 now, so we can just hit that, hit 0, enter, and it'll go ahead and do all this for us. During the first phase of the one, it'll ask if it wants to update automatically. And now if we go to applications, I don't think it's going to be on here yet. It might be. It already is. So there's my Wireshark right there. UX term. Let's see here. Let's see if aircrack is on here. Yeah. Not yet, but I've got to do apt-get update for that. So what we can do before this is open up another terminal. Let's get update. Should be done. Wait. So apt-get update. And there we go. We'll be getting the updates that we need. And now we should have more stuff down here. Yep, there's Pycrust now. Let's see here. Is there? Crack still isn't on here. Whoa. Dash get. Okay. Oops. I keep forgetting to type it. Wait. I don't have to do that. Dash get. Wait. Yeah, I do. Anyway. I'm messing this all up. Anyway, I got off topic here. The advantages to having all of this, all of these things is okay. So I'm going to run it as root. Let's see if that works. There we go. So now we got airmon, or aircrack, whatever you want to call it. We have that now too as well, so we can run that as much as we want. I have problems with that now, going back to my issues with installing Kali Linux on my OS on my computer. It doesn't support it. I don't know why. Wireless card doesn't support it. It supports SQL injections. It supports injections in general, but it doesn't support Kali Linux for some reason, which is weird. You can do a code that, or open up Kali Linux website and actually check and see what your card will support. For some reason, one doesn't support Kali Linux, but supports everything else. So it's stupid. I'm gonna try to run through the whole Linux distro. That's installed everything. We got Apache now. I'm gonna have to, yep, there we go. Wireshark, XRCed. Let's see here, what else do we got? So instead of going out and having to find all this stuff, or going through each individual one, you've got this code right here. So we'll go ahead and do clear, oops, Control C, clear, and then sudo katoolin.py. So we just done web application, so sniffing and spoofing, we want that one next. And just hit 0, launch it, and then we're ready to go. And we're going to be installing all of Kali Linux's applications on Linux Mint, the latest version. What is the latest version? Oh, I clicked donate. Download. Oh, 18.2. So 18.2. I'm going to go ahead and write that down. I'm going to go ahead and make a list of the stuff we need, or stuff you need to type down. Right here. Well, I need leaf pad. Or nope. Text editor. Is that what I need? Text editor? Well, let's just have it. This will work. I'm used to leaf pad. I don't know why. Anyway, so this website, go ahead and paste the crap. So that here's the commands we'll go ahead and type down for you. I don't know, install git. So as I do is just got to abandon this. I'll give a shout out to the guy who done this, by the way. Just commands. Okay. Now this. Now you have to copy this as the link, or it won't work. You can't just type it in. It has to be like that. Now this is the next command you will need to run. Oops. I'll just fuck that up. My wife just woke up. And the next command after that is, wait, whatever that, sudo cp, so sudo git clone, sudo cp, katoolin, user ban katoolin, yes. Okay, so now let's sudo chmod katoolin. This is to give it permissions. And that's about it. Now I'll type in to run. Now to run. What was it? What was the command? Hang on, I could just pull it up over here. Hang on, we'll do. Oops. Sudo katoolin. And there we have it. So file, save as. Save it to our desktop, and whoops, desktop and instructions. Save. There we go. Now I can just post that later. So now I'll do this. View applicator, install Kali menu. We don't want Kali. We might want Kali menu. I don't know yet. Now we're on 6 of 14. Yeah, we're gonna do them all. Go ahead and install all these, and we'll talk some more about katoolin. Let's see here. Let's see the guy who made this. So LionSec. Shout out to LionSec. I need to sign into my account for this, but shout out to him. Really awesome work on this. He must have put a lot of time and effort into this. Shout out to him. Thanks for the forum post. Who posted this? Let's go down to the bottom. Let's see here. Is this the guy who posted it? Yep, Jack Wallen. Shout out to Jack Wallen. He is awesome for finding this out. I found this on GitHub. I can barely find anything on GitHub. I'm getting noobish. Oh, that's done. So, let's go 2, and we're on 6, 7. 7. I'll hit 0, and just install all. And we'll keep this going until we're done. And keep doing some stuff. I love the way he wrote the script. It's great. It's a great tool. As you can see, I've already, well, I'll show that in a previous video, by the way. In that previous video, I messed up on the editing. My bad. Didn't mean to do that. You have to kind of go forward and then back a little bit. That's whatever. So now, as you can see, my all applications list is just getting longer and longer and longer. Soon we'll get to the Metasploit and everything, which I'm still learning as well. And some of these will fail. You won't be able to get them all, but 75 to 80% will. And there we go. Processing, and it's full, and that's fine. That was only 9 of those anyway, which I don't use much. So 2, what was that? 6 and 7. Was that 7 or 6? I think it was 7. So we're gonna do 7. Yeah. Wait. Did we just do this one? I think we just done this one. Maybe we didn't. We're on 7. No, we already done that one. Okay. We're on 8. And we'll do 8. Exploitation tools. Now, I think this is really close. I'm going to install all these. It runs from the archives and the repositories of Kali Linux. So, really a lot of work put into this. And if you want to learn how to use any of these tools, I suggest using nullbyte. Just Google search it, and it's going to be right here. And nullbyte, yeah, you'll find it. This is a great place for anything you want, really. So you get your Facebook hacks, Metasploit, password cracking, Wi-Fi hacking, all that stuff. And also, we need to get Tor. I don't use that. So we'll just type in Tor. And Tor project, we'll go ahead and download this for ourselves. Let's see here. Download Tor. Tor for Linux. We're going to download it for 64-bit. Save file. We can go ahead. That's going to be downloading while everything else is also downloading over. Oh wait, it's already done. Are there any interruptions here? Not much. Good one. So that's fine. So we'll see there, and no, we're on 9 now. 9 project tools. 0. Now, like I said, not all these will be installed, but a good portion of them will. Yeah, this just keeps getting longer and longer and longer, which is fine, because I'll open most of these through the terminal anyway. But anyway, did we get to where? So we need to just go ahead and open this up. I also need to install Tor service real quick because I need that to run some of the stuff that I run. I think I need to press install. Yeah. So you can just extract this to the desktop. Sudo install Tor. Get Tor. What? Get install Tor. That should be it. So, figure that out. Anyway, that was done with errors on Jax. Failed to start a high performance web server and server PR. That's fine, that's nothing. Okay. Okay, what was that now? On 10 now? So we're going to go ahead and do stress testing. Those THC, SSL, DOS, and stuff like that. And just fine. Anyway, we got our Tor right here. I'll also give you another thing that I recommend. So, that should have been a lot longer than it was. Okay, let's see here. So make sure these installed. Most of those installed. Okay, Control C. Oops. So Python. Okay, Python is up. Oops, Control C. Got X off of it. Open a new terminal. Oops. Well, that was 10, we'll do 11. And this is a lot. This is a whole lot. Yeah. This is a whole lot. And the reason it doesn't install some of these is because some of the repositories aren't there anymore. But anyway, all you gotta do from here is just go to the wiki. Go here real quick. Well, this is loading and everything. And we can just, not Wikipedia's, but we'll just hit this one real quick. And uncensored hidden wiki page. It's a .onion. Slow. So that installed all that it could. Which did install. Let's see if John the Ripper installed at least. Oh, really? Yep, did. Okay, we're good on that. That's all I wanted. Let's see, it was 10, 11 password attacks. Wait, we already done 11. Pretty sure. Yep. So we do 12. So this is the reverse engineering. Oh. So reverse engineering doesn't have anything for it. So, go ahead and do that. The repositories are empty for reverse engineering. 13. There we go. So hardware hacking has stuff. Neat. And the hidden wiki. Here we are. So I was talking about the hidden wiki. Another good website to use is. Let me find it real quick. Yep, right here. The Intel Exchange. Which I will also post this. post this link to the instructions. Oops. I don't need to post a big thanks to the guys who done this. I can do that in a second. I'll wait for this to be done. It's 14. Still setting up stuff. Yeah, that was a long list just for that much. So, see there, and the last one is the extras, which I doubt there's anything in there. There might be surprise. Nope. Didn't think so. Control-C, clear that. No. Install classic menu indicator. We could do that. Install Kali menu. Let's see here. We want to install Kali menu. Do we want to install Kali menu? No, we got everything we need. So that's katoolin right there. And I'm going to just close the terminal. And now Intel Exchange has let's see, hardware, it's hacking, programming, right here. That's what you need. So you can use this to scavenge for basically any kind of thing, all the stuff you want. This and NullByte. They both are great. Internet is your best friend. Always will be. And that will be the end of this tutorial, and thank you guys very much for watching.